Welcome to Future Unveiled. Today, we delve into the heart of a silent yet profound revolution, the imminent fusion of artificial intelligence and synthetic biology, a marriage that could give rise to what we might call sentient ecosystems. Imagine complex biological systems, designed and orchestrated by intelligent algorithms, capable of dynamic adaptation, optimized resource allocation, and even unprecedented forms of collaboration with AI itself. To understand this audacious vision, let's closely examine current advancements and expert projections. In the near term, precision agriculture 2.0 will emerge. Intelligent sensor networks, analyzed in real time by sophisticated AI, will pilot nutrient delivery, irrigation, and crop protection with unparalleled accuracy, promising exponential yields while minimizing our environmental footprint. Autonomous agricultural robots, guided by advanced computer vision and intelligent planning, will become key players in this transformation. In the mid-term, AI will revolutionize bioremediation. Tailor-made synthetic microorganisms, designed by deep learning algorithms to target and break down specific pollutants, will be deployed autonomously in contaminated areas. Imagine swarms of microscopic robots, true biological surgeons, neutralizing toxins with molecular precision. The design of these biological agents will be accelerated by generative AI platforms, exploring billions of genetic combinations to optimize their efficiency and specificity. In the longer term, we may witness the creation of the first sentient ecosystems in controlled environments. Intelligent greenhouses, sophisticated bioreactors, or even autonomous space habitats will see AI actively orchestrating biodiversity, resource flows, and adaptation strategies in real time. Complex ecological models, powered by machine learning, will enable the simulation and prediction of the behavior of these artificial ecosystems, ensuring their stability in the face of perturbations. AI could even facilitate unprecedented forms of communication between different species within these environments. In the far future, a bold speculation emerges. Could the profound interaction between AI and sufficiently complex AI-designed biological systems give rise to emergent forms of biological intelligence? Could artificial neural networks interface with biological networks, creating complex feedback loops with unforeseen consequences? Although highly theoretical, this perspective opens fascinating questions about the nature of consciousness and the limits of intelligence as we know it. Research in neuroinformatics and organic artificial intelligence could shed light on these vertiginous possibilities. However, this AI-driven biological revolution raises crucial ethical questions. Who will be responsible for these artificial ecosystems? What rights will these potentially emergent life forms possess? How can we guarantee safety and prevent the misuse of these powerful technologies? An informed public debate, involving scientists, ethicists, and policymakers, is imperative to frame this development. The precautionary and responsibility principles must guide our actions. The impact on society could be profound. New industries will emerge around the design, management, and maintenance of these sentient ecosystems. The production of goods, medicine, space exploration, and the fight against climate change could be radically transformed. Education and training will need to adapt to prepare a new generation of scientists and technicians capable of working at the intersection of AI and biology. The scientific and technical challenges to overcome are immense. The complexity of biological systems, the robustness of the AI algorithms needed to control and understand them, and the potential risks of failure demand in-depth fundamental research and unprecedented interdisciplinary collaboration. Advanced simulation platforms and rigorous validation tools will be essential for safe progress. Expert opinion is divided but generally optimistic about the long-term potential. Leading figures in synthetic biology and artificial intelligence emphasize the unique synergy between these two fields. However, they warn against unbridled enthusiasm and insist on the need for an ethical and responsible approach. Investments in fundamental research and the training of the next generation of researchers will be decisive. In conclusion, the creation of AI-driven sentient ecosystems represents a revolutionary idea at the forefront of science. While the challenges are considerable and the ethical implications profound, the potential to transform our world and our understanding of life itself is immense. Future Unveiled will continue to closely monitor this fascinating convergence, relying on expert opinions and the latest scientific discoveries to bring you informed predictions and an in-depth analysis of this new era. Thank you for joining us for this audacious exploration. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think of this vision of sentient ecosystems? What are your greatest hopes and your greatest fears? Stay curious, and let's continue together to unveil the possible futures.